Hello everyone, welcome back to this another video on QGIS. I'm Lalit from MapMentors. Today we are going to learn how can we customize our legend based on the impact or based on some value of the column. In this video, we are going to explore the global landslide data that I downloaded from Kaggle, and we are going to customize the legend, and then we are going to filter that data based on the number of casualty, and we are going to filter the top 10 landslide event that has the highest number of casualty. So first thing first, I have imported my global land data in my QGIS, as you can see. Now I'm going to import the landslide data from here. My data is in CSV file, so I'm going to import it using the text delimited layer. So this is my landslide data. I'm going to import it, and by default it reads the file format is CSV, and I have latitude and longitude, so the geometry definition will be the geometry point coordinate. Now I'm going to add this data. You see, this is the global landslide data event from 1988 to 2017. So let me check its attribute table. In attribute table, there is date, location accuracy, and then population size of that place, country code, country name, injury, and death also. In 2014, there was the death of 5,000 people in a landslide that happened in Uttarakhand, India. And like this, we are going to select the top 10 landslide event. So I'm going to select the first one and press shift and select 10. So you can see that we have selected the 10 features in from the landslide dataset that is available in this file. So I'm going to export this to export. Just go to export, save selected feature as. So I'm going to use this GeoPackage format. I'm going to name it largest landslide, and I'm going to add this. Okay, now you see that our largest landslide 10 points have been added here. So I'm going to unselect these all. Now let's do some styling. For styling, select the file name from layers, and then select this paintbrush icon, and you'll get this type of interface here. So now I'm to make this marker a bit smaller, maybe 0.5, and the color I'm going to choose is this red. And for the stroke, I'm going to give it the white stroke. Let's increase the size of this landslide data. For the largest landslide data, let's check this attribute table, and in attribute table, so in the last two rows, if I see it does not have the country name and the administration boundary name, so we are going to give it custom name. So to provide names, just click in this button, and country name, this one is Colombia, so I'm going to write USA, and admin name I'm going to give it like Colombia. And the next one, this is in Africa, so we don't know the exact name of this country, so I'm going to write continent name is Africa, and the name of this place we have to find out. But to find the name of this place, I'm going to use this world shape file, that is inbuilt in QGIS. So in world map shape file, I'm going to find the name of this country. So let me click here, and this is Sierra Leone. So I'm going to copy this Sierra Leone, and in the landslide, let me add this name here in admin in okay admin name. This is Sierra Leone. Okay, now save our changes. Okay, let's remove this world map from here, and we're back to our original files. So to display the global dataset, we always use the equal of projection. For the equal of projection, we are going to project every files in this layer. So we are going to project it from project, then properties. In the project properties, find CRS, and in the CRS, write equal auth. So equal auth, it's inside the projected, and inside the equal auth, there are different type of different projection, but we are going to use this equal auth Greenwich projection, and the EBSC code is 8857. Click apply, and click OK. For this data, we are going to give some color. And this is black and white. This is transparent now. So let's provide some brownish color to this, and in this way we can customize our color. So we have customized everything for the land data and global landscape data, but we are going to customize this largest landscape data. To customize, just select this and come to this simple marker. Let's give it a color of green and the marker size of 4. So you can see that the size of this point increase as we increase the size here, but we don't want to do that. We want to give the size of this point based on some value. So to do that, simply go here in the data define override, click here and go to the assistant. So in assistant, we're going to give the source, that is we want to define the size based on the number of dates here, and let's refresh this. So the minimum number of dates in these 10 data set is minimum is 312 and maximum is 5000. So I'm going to give custom size of 300 to 5000, and the size I want to vary this size from 3 to 10, and in this way you can give custom size to this point. Let's come back and change this color to red, and background color to white, and make it transparent like this. Okay. To define our custom region, we have to select this marker. Till now we were working with simple marker, but now we are going to work with marker. See here, there is an option called advanced. So advanced, we select data define legend. Okay, in the data define legend, the by default it's legend not enabled. Now we are going to collapse the legend and give the manual size. So once we do that, the legend is displayed by default, but we are going to give our own legend. So I'm going to add. I want to start my legend from 300, and then next item is of 1000. Next one is 3000, and the final ones I want is 5000. Okay, so in this way we can define the legend, and in additional you can choose the line color. So this is black, but you can choose red, or you can maybe choose this gray line. I think the black is better suited for this legend. Now everything looks nice. The final thing that we want to do is to give some information or provide some labels to this data. So to provide label, we go to this labels features. From the labels, we are going to select this single label, and in the value we are going to select this country name. So this country name does not give proper information. We are going to customize this value field from the expression. I'm going to provide some expression to the for our labels. Now I have written this expression here. So what it will do is it will choose the country's name, space, then the name of the admin boundary, and date is equal to number of dates. So let me click OK. Now you see that it gives proper information of the event. So this event was happened in Afghanistan, Badas Khan, date number was 2100. So these are in a single line. Let's break that. To break the single line into a double line, let's go here and in the wrap character give this. Okay, now we can see that in the wrap character we provide this semicolon, and it will divide single line into two lines from the semicolon. So now let's give this some good appearance. For the callout, we use this callout function from here, and maybe let's draw some background. The background by default is white. Let's make it black background, and let's give the radius of 6 to 6 radius, and let's give some buffer of 2 and the buffer of 2. Let's change the color because the background color and our font color is same. Let's change the color of this font to the white, and instead of open sans, maybe provide some other font, and the font size is 10. Now we see that our information and points are ready. Now we want to move these call out to the specific location so that it don't look messy in this map. So to do that, you can activate a toolbar called label toolbar, which is here. So from the label toolbar, once you activate your label toolbar, your toolbar will looks like this. Now select this, move a label. Click here in the when you click for the first time, it will ask to choose a primary key. In our case, we are going to choose this FID. Click OK. Now click this and move to your specific location like this. For the Uganda, I'm going to keep it here. For India, I'm going to keep it here. For the Brazil, there are two events. So there are two events that happen in Brazil in the Rio de Janeiro. So that's why they seems like overlap to each other. So I think this is the good location for us. So you can see that our call out information have been set to their specific places. So now we are going to display that in our print layout. Click to print layout, give a name, for example, landslides, and this type of map will appear. To add the map in your layout, just go to the add item, add maps, map, and add map like this. Maybe change the size of this layout. And to move the map, you can do that by move item contents map like this. Now you can see that your landslide map looks great with great detailed information. This is in Africa, Sierra Leone, and the date 312. In Afghanistan, date was 2100. In the China, the date was 1765. So this is how you create infographic map using QGIS, and you can give some title to this scale or maybe additional information, and you can export your map in uh, in your local machine. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.